Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we are down here doing another car cave video. This time we're down here with Jay and Lindsay, a real couple's gold video this. As you can see, they have a fantastic collection of Scoobies and Pulsars, so Lee's a big fan of that. You might notice there's a couple more cars off to the side. That is coming in a later video in a couple of weeks time, so stay tuned for that. In the meantime, sit down, relax, give us a subscription if you haven't done already, give us a like and a comment below, and I'm going to stop yapping. I'm going to let Lee take it from here.
Start with the Impreza then, so Jay, do you want to tell us a little bit about that?
It's 93.
Vintage
WRX.
tax.
Well, vintage tax.
Vintage
that's
tax,
the,
huh? There are probably a lot of these are vintage tax actually.
Most
So
of
that,
them,
you can't beat the
that's
vintage
it,
tax in the 2 years NCT.
This come up then, a friend of mine rang me cheap, and when I bought that was Kawasaki green.
Oh, right.
A shed, so it was.
Oh, lovely. So,
So
you painted it then, so obviously.
painted it all up, it's
Right.
on the Pirate's back. Then I've collected all the bits there the last 10 years for, say, the bits, the bumpers, skirts.
Is that
spoiler and
all
everything.
one sort of a special type of kit, is it?
It's a, no, it's a mix and match, but
Aye.
kind of flows. Like it's
It
a
flows nicely, yeah.
C-West front bumper, C-West side skirts. You have a Bone X rear, and then a Cusco GT wing on the back, which is
right, okay.
controversial.
I'd say that's a bit controversial. I've seen it a couple of shows and I'd say now people are a little bit like,
Subaru boys don't like it.
no, I wouldn't think so
No.
now, no. And you've the Moretti headlights as well.
Yeah,
They're a nice job
Have
on
to have
too.
them.
Yeah, they are nice,
they go
aren't
with the kit. If it was stand-up bumpers, I wouldn't have them on the car. Don't think they suit the...
They don't suit the
Yeah,
standard.
they don't suit stand-up bumpers now.
Have you any future plans, Rang, for this, Jay?
Nah, nothing major. I'm kind of happy with the way the outside sits. I'm probably going to upgrade the Brembos.
Right, okay.
Now, then, it's kind of power-wise.
Yeah,
The
when
engine
you
bay needs,
when you start doing
I want
turbos
to
and
refresh
ECUs and
the
stuff.
engine, and I have an STI engine sitting. The STI engine, the one I broke, is sitting inside there. Now, so if I ever need it, but that's a closed deck block, so I'd kind of rather work on that one and just stick the turbo on and send her for a link. Then it's probably the easiest option.
Yes.
Don't need
yes.
mad power. If I get 320 over,
You'd be
just
happy enough
mapped
with
up,
that.
safe 320, happy out with that.
Yeah,
That's all you need for it.
Whoever painted it for you done a great job as well. 'Cause it's a
Brilliant
really,
job.
It's
Brilliant
some-
job.
That is some paint job on it.
Like
To come from the Kawasaki green, that wouldn't be an easy colour to get rid of either.
It was a nightmare.
Yeah.
Now when I bought it, Kawasaki green, whoever painted it was painted in a cow shed. I know that much, but there
Right.
was no masking tape. The tyres were painted, the seats were green, door cards were green, everything was
Right,
green on the car
everything
when I
was
got
green.
it. You know,
What a disaster.
the sun's on it.
It
It's
is,
purple,
yeah.
more purple.
It's-
once it's
I noticed
there,
I'd
you know?
seen it at DB on the Keys that time.
Yeah,
And I noticed the purple tinge and I thought it was lovely, so it was now.
That's why the pink cage and everything kind of ties
It
everything
all
in
ties together,
you know?
doesn't it? You had
That's
these
it.
purple stickers and stuff on the window
That's
as well.
it, and then the STI backlights on it. I would rather them than the orange. They freshen it up a small bit.
Oh,
the,
yeah.
The orange and the red
The
kind
orange.
of old school sort of thing, you know.
Yes.
And then
That's
the
a nice
wing.
back bumper actually too.
The back bumper is lovely.
Yeah,
That's probably
it's
my
different,
favourite
like,
back
but it's
bumper
nice,
for an Impreza. Of all the kits you can get from the Bomex is probably the best now.
I never really got a proper look around it when I was down at DB, but I can actually see, you can see the purple coming into it there now in the sunlight. It's a lovely. What colour is that?
The Honda Pirate's black.
Oh, Honda Pirate's
Off
black.
the old VTIs, the VTI wagons
Oh,
and the
yes,
not the
yes,
Rover
yes.
shaped ones. Yeah,
Yes,
yeah,
that,
it's
yeah.
the only colour they come.
That's a lovely colour.
in, you know.
It's really nice now.
Just
And you've semi slicks all around there too, have you?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Your man did a great job painting it, so he did.
Yeah, there's a few little nicks around it. I'd rather
She'll
want to get
always have
tidied
that
up
anyways,
next
like.
year, but sure, look.
You'll
At the
always
end of
have
the day,
that.
it's being driven, so.
Alright lads, if you're enjoying this video, please do go ahead, give us a like. It is the best way to help support the channel growing. If you haven't already, maybe give us a subscription. Hit the little notification bell as well, so you're notified when the next Tools with Cars video comes out. But if you want to head over to ToolzwithCarz.com and support us even more, you can do something like buy us a coffee, or you can pick up some of this lovely merch. So yeah, head over to ToolzwithCarz.com. Enough yapping for me. Back to the show.
Now we'll move on to the Forester anyway, so we'll guess who's going to talk with this now. This is a bit controversial here now for you, Lindsay, because you're a real Nissan girl. But
Excuse me.
I bought her because I wanted something different, just to
Yes.
keep the classic insurance going.
yes,
on the other two.
I might go to the other side of you just
So-
for Michael's.
I just wanted something different,
Yeah,
so I think she's fairly different.
it is.
I
Yeah.
don't really know much about Subarus. I'm
Right,
learning.
you're learning as you go.
I'm learning as I go. He
Yeah,
do
yeah.
more now. He knows
I
kinda
actually
more.
wouldn't know much about these either. There is STIs in them. Is that an STI?
No.
No, there
that's
is an STI version in them, isn't there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. But no, they're cool, and they're a thing that's kind of growing as well in Ireland. Like, you know, there is a following coming for them.
There is a few popping up as well.
Yeah.
A good few STIs starting to come in now as well, yeah.
I just wish she had more power.
You
She's
don't know.
not bad. Once she gets going, she's okay.
Yeah, but it's just
the
getting
likes
up there.
of, like, see, I'd compare her to maybe my red one.
Yeah,
But, like,
that's the problem,
there's
you see.
no comparison. Like, literally nothing. Like, you
Definitely
cannot
not.
floor these in first gear because they'll probably just blow up or something. they're not built for that.
They're kind of like as well, I suppose, and this might be where you kind of come in with the Nissans. They're a bit like the Stagia. And that's not a standard Bonafente, right, is it?
That's off the STI.
I was thinking that was an STI
Poor
Bonafente.
Bonafente was literally tiny and
Right.
I just looked lost. And I thought she's so big and chunky. And I was like, no.
Yeah.
He gave me that with her, like.
Right, okay.
And I said, no, it has to have that one on it. I think that looks a little bit better.
It does, a little bit more aggressive looking
Yeah.
too,
That's
like,
it.
you
The
know.
other vent on it
Especially
was
when you're
off.
used to such a big Bonafente as well,
know,
that's
yeah.
kind of very aggressive looking, isn't it? And this one has a sunroof in it as well.
Yeah, and it
Yeah.
works. Apparently, everyone, like, because apparently none of them work.
All right,
Everything works now.
everything works.
Everything
Everything
works.
works.
So
Yeah.
crying back seats, everything.
Yeah, the back seats
So
are fine,
then-
everything.
The back seat's reclining it, right? Not
down.
electronically though.
No.
They just
The interior is fairly cushy. There's like the seats are like there's armrests in them.
it's built into it.
Yeah,
Oh, look at.
so they're quite cushy.
Yeah. And they're leather too.
Yeah,
Yeah.
all grey leather interior.
All grey leather interior. Yeah, lovely.
I hate leather though.
I know, I wouldn't be a
Cold in
fan.
the
It's
winter.
cold,
But
yeah.
heated seats as well.
The
so
heat
that's
in the
alright.
front there,
Oh,
grand.
there you go.
There's the seats. So I
Look
have
at the
them
back seats in it.
slightly recline back at the back.
Yeah.
So if you take the back shelf out, they actually fully recline all the way down.
Go camping in it.
Yeah, you could.
That's what you want.
That's what you want, yeah.
That's it.
It's great to have something like this as well because I can fit so much things in this.
Yeah, exactly.
For
Two
parts,
sets of wheels and
yeah.
tyres going for powder coating and I still have space.
Still a room in it,
So
right?
I love her in that sense. But
Yeah,
like,
she's like a big practical van, isn't it?
yeah.
Yeah, it's great. Like it's just
Yeah.
something you don't see anymore either.
Whereas
So
I just love my little hot hatches though.
you love your little hot hatches, huh? Well, sure, I suppose we better go and talk about these two lovely ladies over here. This is where you're going to come into your own now, Lindsay, is it? My
This is it. I'll
babies.
stand back now. Stand to the side.
Well, look at, I know a little bit about these cars. Not very much, but I know a little bit, so we should be able to talk about these. So you were saying earlier, this one is the one you have the longest.
This is my baby, so this is my pride and joy.
This is the OG.
Yeah, I bought
Right.
her in 2009.
Okay.
And she was originally like the really kind of dark grey, the charcoal colour.
Oh, yeah.
But I always wanted a white one, so I said, if I get a nice clean one, I'm going to buy one and I'm going to paint it white.
Right.
So I decided to colour code.
Yes.
Which all the GTI-R people don't like.
It would be a little bit controversial, all right, now, yeah.
They don't like it, but I think it works well with her.
On the white more so maybe than any
Yeah.
other colour, yes.
Yeah, I wouldn't do it on the red now.
No,
I think
it'd
the
be
red,
too
red
much.
needs the black. But I think with her, I think the white on white, I like it.
It's nice,
Yeah,
yeah.
I like
it's different, but it's not as in your face as the red, I don't think, as you say.
Bought her originally as standard. And
Okay.
then we went for a little bit of power, so we just changed to a Z32 airflow meter. A few
Yes.
little Mickey Mouse things, power FC. She made about 300 horsepower, I think, so we're happy
yeah,
enough with
nothing wrong
that.
with that.
Yeah, no, we were happy enough with that. And then I got a little bit greedy, as we all do.
Okay,
So we upgraded again and went for a 2871R Garrett Turbo.
yes.
So we were running nice little, just over 400 horsepower, with a few little upgrades.
Nice.
And then she ate 2 gearboxes on me.
Oh, good. I know that
She
feeling.
was a little bit torquey, so third gear went both times.
Right,
So I said, feck it, sure, we'll bite the bullet and buy a quaif box.
right.
So I bought a quaif box off a fella over in the UK, but he was breaking his car and this car is really high spec. So he's like, here, just there's my shopping list, pick what you want. So I picked a few little bits and
Nice.
pieces. So we got the quaif box and I got a bigger turbo. I put a 3076 Garrett on her.
Right,
It's quite laggy,
okay.
but when it goes, goes.
It goes, right.
So we have that all in now. I'm still running the Power FC. I'm after getting a Haltech ECU. It's actually sitting on the back seat.
Right.
Just waiting to get all that fitted in and I'm going to go coil unplugged in as well.
Oh, yeah, okay. So you're going pushing big power and so on the white one.
Why not?
Why not? Just go for
I
it.
think I'm already there.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
even there with my old mechanic, he was kind of saying like, oh, well, we do this. And he goes, would you not just fully forward? I was like, why not?
Why not? Let's just go for it, like.
Yeah.
And
So she's fully built. Coilovers, everything.
she's well fit for it now then, so.
Yeah,
Have
she's,
you the quaif box in it?
Yep.
Oh, you have it in it and all, yeah.
Oh yeah, it's in it a while now.
Right, okay. yeah,
Just
yeah.
waiting to get the new ECU fitted down and get her mapped.
Get her mapped.
Get her back on the road.
And who's going to do the mapping for you?
I'm not sure yet.
Yeah, just getting the right person to
Just
do
need
it.
to do a bit of digging and see because there's a lot of people won't take GTI-Rs.
There's a lot of people don't take them. Yeah, I
You know
found
that
out
yourself,
as well.
so
Yeah.
a lot of people don't really want to touch them.
Yeah,
working
they
on
can
them
be
and stuff.
temperamental.
Yeah.
So they can. And
That's why I've had them so long, and I kind of grew up with a lot of my friends were mechanics, so they kind of taught me along the way.
yeah, yeah. So
I can
you're
do-
self-taught.
I can do quite a lot.
Very good.
I'll
Well,
do
fair
what
play
I'll
to
do
you.
what I can, but
Yeah, and it must be one topic as well that we do come across as well. It must be hard for women in the motor industry, like in trying to get into cars, like because, you know, it'd be stereotyped that it'd be just a man's thing and that's it. Like, but like you're in there with a bold statement with these two cars, like, and you're pushing type power, and you have this as well. Like, so fair play to you. Like, and as you say, you're kind of self-taught along the way too, and you're doing a lot of it yourself. So, like.
Yeah.
Fair play to you. That's
I'll
all
do
I can
as much
say.
as I can
Do
anyway.
as much as you can, yeah.
keeps the cost down.
I know, but that's the thing nowadays as well.
Yeah.
The cost of everything, like, yes. And you'd be fairly active in the GTI-R community now. Like, you've the WhatsApp group that you set up, wasn't it?
Yeah, and then we Facebook and Instagram
Facebook
as well.
and Instagram as well, so-
GTI-R Ireland.
Yeah. So like, you're obviously GTI-R to the bone, like.
Yes.
And where did that ever come from, like?
Just
or-
from growing up, I don't know. I just fell in love with them from
Yeah.
from a very young age.
like,
from a very
and,
young age.
you know, there wouldn't have been a massive amount of these about ever really in Ireland. Like, there'd have been more Gilanzas and GT Turbos
Yeah.
and stuff like that. But you just went for the.
I love these.
You love these.
I love these.
Yeah, I suppose it's probably the vents and it's probably the spoilers and stuff
Yeah,
like.
it's just the whole look of them. Like, there's nothing on them that I don't like.
Yeah,
love them.
I just realised you have two sunroofs as well. Like,
I know.
you hoarder. I would love a sunroof in mine. You absolute hoarder.
Try to get me a sunroof seal though.
Oh,
They're like
I know.
gold
Yeah,
dust.
that's the problem, I suppose. Yeah,
Yeah.
but look at you got a sunroof. Live with it. I'll take your sunroof and give
I
you a
know.
non-sunroof.
I love them with a sunroof though. I think it just makes them
It
as well.
does actually. It really makes
different,
the
yeah.
red one too. So it does.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. It's lovely now. So it's. And am I right in saying have you the matching wheels? No, they're slightly different.
I've
are they? They're very similar actually.
5 Zegans on her, and they are on her. Oh God, I think since 2010.
Oh right, okay.
So they're like an old school wheel. But
Yes.
I want to change their wheels because I'd like something a bit more chunky.
Okay.
But I haven't found that and I like, so they're staying
It's hard
until I
getting
find.
wheels are fierce hard
Yeah.
to get, like,
I
aren't
can't
they?
find nothing that suits them. Them wheels are on now a long time. They're still in good condition.
They do suit it actually, yeah. And you've the Willwoods on it as well.
Oh, she needs them.
She needs them, definitely.
Yeah, she's the Willwoods on the front and then she's carbon Lorraine pads
Right.
because we fully built her and then we didn't really have any brakes, so
Yes.
standard brakes are crap anyway.
Oh, they're brutal.
Yeah, they're crap anyways. Even horse standard brakes now, you struggle to stop her sometimes.
Yeah.
But
And there's Series 1 and Series 2 in these. Mm-hmm. Are they both Series 2? Ones? That's a 1.
that's a 1, she's 2.
She's a 2, right,
Yeah.
okay, yeah.
So she has the opposite interior than she does.
Than this, yeah.
Yeah.
That's actually, I knew the holes in the headrest was the Series 1
Yeah.
and the Series 2 didn't have the holes, didn't
Yeah.
they? Yeah. But I suppose for anybody that doesn't know, these are running SR20 red tops, 4-wheel drive obviously as well running, yeah. Have you any, there is LSDs and stuff you can put into them too. Have you any limit slip diffs in any of them? Or? No, they're all just standard diffs as well from factory, yeah. Yeah, you see some of the boys over in England that have nice big diffs and stuff in them. You'd often think, oh, I'd love to.
Yeah,
I'd
they're
love
mad
for-
money to buy them when you see them coming up.
Mental, like, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I think with the red one now, she'll just stay standard. What I'm going to do is when I put the Haltech into her,
Yeah.
I'm going to take the Power FC out and the Z32 airflow meter and put it into her.
Yes,
That'll give her a little bit more horsepower as well. Might even get her up to about 300 horsepower.
yes. Do
Bar
you know what
boost.
it's running at the minute?
Martin Tracy had her on the dyno there a couple of years ago, was 238.
Okay, yeah.
It's pretty good for a standard car. Like, there's
Yeah.
nothing done to her.
Nothing
There's
done.
Nothing. It's all bog standard.
Right.
Bog standard airflow meter and everything, which is
Oh, yeah.
kind of giving problems here and there.
A friend of my father's had a bit similar situation. He had one of these years ago, a black one. Now I was only, I'd say, about that high when he had it, like, and I remember it. The only thing I remember about it is the bonnet, and I just always said to myself, I love that car.
Yeah.
They're memorable, yeah, exactly. Like, and you know, like, kids nowadays aren't going to remember these. They're not going to see these cars.
No, a lot of them don't even know what they are. You drive
No.
into a car meet now and they're looking, going, "What is that?"
What is that? And then next thing they'll see a Jetta driving by and like, oh, there's a cool Jetta.
Golf.
You know, Golfs and Jettas and stuff
Yeah.
like that. Like, but these are all proper cars. Like, you know, they're just what we grew up with. Like, and it's what we love. And it's great to see some kids getting into them as well. Like, you know. So we'll wrap it up there with that. And so, folks, and we'd just like to say, great collection here on both cars. Our viewers, which do you prefer? Are you on Team Lindsay or are you on Team J? Which are you picking? I'm sorry, I'm going to say I'm a real Subaru fan, but I'm with Team Lindsay on this one. Us GTI-R people, we stick together,
Yes,
don't
we do. Well, he has his Glory as well. The white one's his as well.
The Glory, yeah,
Yeah.
that's his as well. So at least you're
So he has a bit of a Nissan there.
You have a bit of
but-
Nissan in you
yeah.
as well, yeah.
We'll all go Team Lindsay on this one.
We're all going Team Lindsay. We'll leave that up to you guys. If you want to leave it in the comments, he is Team Lindsay, he is Team J. And if you enjoyed the video, do make sure to give us a like. And also, if you have a car collection that you'd like to show to us, feel free to reach out to us at toolzwithcarz@gmail.com or get us on our socials. Done.
Perfect.